Wow! Chef! Ay, talaga mapapanak.
Dalawang pares, ang crispy kare-kare.
At isang pakwat baboy. Kapatid kayong dalawa? Kaya naman wala.
Wala na. Okay. O, nasan yung jacket ko? Na,
Second batch.
sabi mo noon.
Kailan kaya yun?
Wow! Chef! Ay, talaga mapapanak. Mapapalaban ka talaga sa beef pares overdose. Overload pa. Siya nga pala si My Loves. Tapos ang store nyo ay 19. Wala sa beef pares overload. Ito yun, tingnan nyo.
Crispy kari-kari, tokot baboy, at saka beef pares.
Tsaka ito pa one thing, unlimited rice, sabaw at free drinks sa only 13 euro. Lutong bahay, dito na kayo. Ate, why. Super. The best.
Siyempre, thank you. Magpakabusog ka. Kayo pala. Hindi kasi magpapakita eh.
Sarap. Paris overdose. Ma-overdose ka sa sarap eh.
No, it's like,
Ito kare-kare.
you know, they pointed like on the right. So that was the fastest one in Did you go on what you call it, the right?
Why, super, Michael. Ano siya?
It's called,
Tokwat baboy.
yeah, yes. I was thinking, how it's kind of big. Yeah. Ooh, wait,
Super.
big. Yeah, and you're not.
Magnific.
I
Masih.
don't